A fast-moving snowstorm swept across the Midwest on Thursday, blanketing regions like Minneapolis and southern Wisconsin in one of the season's heaviest snowfalls.
Good morning, everybody. Well, it's snowing here in Minneapolis. We had no snow up till now, but finally Mother Nature is
Minneapolis recorded over 5 inches of snow, while Arcadia, Wisconsin, saw accumulations reach at least 8 inches. The sudden onslaught of winter weather led to hazardous driving conditions and numerous accidents, prompting emergency responses across the northern U.S. transportation agencies in Minnesota and Wisconsin reported handling hundreds of crashes.
Sakyan na nagpark kami ng malayo para maglakad na lang para makakuha ng yan, daming sakyan. Medyo maglakad ng malayo konti.
The Minnesota Department of Transportation mobilized over 800 snowplow crews to clear and treat roads.
You know what? I just want to give y'all a shot of these houses. These ain't regular. These ain't regular. This what I'm walking into. These ain't regular. Man, look here. Man, look at here. This ain't regular. That's a house. These ain't regular. It's your boy NB. These ain't regular.
Meanwhile, operations at Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport faced significant disruptions, with dozens of flight delays attributed to snow and ice.
Four campers.
So we got our first snowstorm.
By Thursday afternoon, the most intense snowfall rates hit southern Wisconsin, reducing visibility and making roads slick.
So pretty. It's been snowing ever since this morning. It's not really, it's kind of a light snow when it hits you, and the temperature really isn't too bad.
Fox weather correspondent Brandy Campbell observed multiple spin-out crashes along I-43 near Sheboygan, Wisconsin, highlighting the treacherous conditions drivers faced.
All done. All done.
Today a lot of snow and very thick on the top of the car, rooftop. Very difficult to drive, very easy to get accident, especially on freeway. Yeah.
In response to the storm, the National Weather Service issued winter weather advisories and upgraded them to winter storm warnings, affecting over 12 million people across the Midwest.
In the hospital, we still have snow cover all the tree, like a fairy tale.
আসলে এই সিজনটা অনেক প্রবলেম কিছুটা পারলাম এই বুডুমটা বের করা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট ঝাড়ুর জন্য
That's a good shot of snow, something they haven't seen in Minneapolis yet this season. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.